Oh, hello there. So today I'm going to show you how to use logo animation loader plugin. So here there is a element you'll get as which is called loading image as shown here, and in that you will be able to upload a GIF, then set other instructions, and you will be able to see a GIF whenever you load a page. So this is the demo page where you can upload a GIF, then set a background color and the logo timeout. This means that you can give a time duration until the logo animation will be shown after the page loads. So I'll upload a GIF, then I'll set the background color as black and seconds as 5 seconds. Now I'll click on save. You can see the logo animation for 5 seconds and it vanished. If I reload again, you can see the animation is shown, and after 5 seconds you will be back to the page. So this is the logo animation plugin. Now I'll show you the process which I'm doing this animation. First you have to go to the design, and then there will be a element here called loading image. Just add that, and in that element you'll be asked to add a image, then the loading background color, and the logo timeout. So all of the things are done here, and I'm saving all those details from here to database, and from database I'm fetching, and you can give a dynamic image, and for background color it has to be with hex color code, which is hashtag and the 00123 those code. And for logo timeout, just give seconds, like 1 2 3 4 5 seconds, like that. So this is how you use logo animation loader plugin. Thank you.